CNC drilling and milling machine tool customized processing of steel and aluminum materials with a length of 6 to 13 meters, equipped with specialized positioning fixtures. The workpiece only needs to be clamped once can achieve complete processing of all processes. Constant steel drilling and milling tools are used. With a long service life and high precision of workpieces ensures no burrs on the surface of wall. Adopting PLC integrated CNC and touch screen integrated human-machine dialogue system with fault self-diagnosis program can be clamped for processing circular, square, semicircular, pentagonal various irregular types, materials, and hole shapes, such as diamond-shaped types. The rotatable workbench can be placed between 3 positions, -90 degrees, 0 + 90 degrees arbitrary conversion, achieving milling of 3 surfaces with 1 clamping operation. Ensure accurate positioning without deviation, automatic and fast drilling, slotting, and milling integrated processing. Circular holes, square grooves, and irregular holes can be processed and formed. No manual operation required. Punching, slotting, chamfering, black carving integrated molding.